Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So tie the hairs like this, from taking the hairs from the sides like this on the back. Fix it properly, join it one by one in the small sections as shown in the video. Now after that, fix it like this by taking the hairs in the small section from both the sides and join it in the between. Make the plaits like hairs on the back as we are tying hair. Keep performing these steps for a few more times and repeat it till the end and tie all the hairs in the same manner. For more such interesting videos, you can follow our page and let us know in the comment section whether you liked our videos or not. So now tie the hairs with the rubber band like this. Now after that, we'll be stretching it a little bit and fix it, and your hairstyle is ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides like this and then tie it on the back. So just join the hairs by taking small sections from the sides like this and keep joining them together on the one side. Now take the hairs together and then roll them like this. So now after rolling it, fix it on the back. Now after that, follow the same step for the other side. Just take the hairs like this and join it one by one, and then at the end we'll be rolling them together like this. So roll it and again fix them together at the back. So watch these steps very carefully how we are fixing it. Now join them together at the back and tie it with the rubber band like this. Fix it. Now after that, we'll be taking all the hairs like this together and then make a high ponytail like this and fix it to make a bun. Fold the hairs inside like this and cover it like this from the top. Fix the hairs and spread it and put a hair clutch over it like this, and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we'll be taking the hairs on the top like this and fix it by putting a small hair clutch. Now after that, again take the small section of the hairs and again put a hair clutch like this. So now keep taking the hairs for a few more times and keep fixing it on the back like this one by one. Fix it properly as shown in the video and tie the hairs like this. Keep tying the hairs carefully on the back and fix it one by one as we are tying here. Fix it like this and put it, and it's ready. Next, we'll be putting the hair rubber band on the top of the hairs like this. Fix it. Now after that, we'll be dividing the hairs into two parts and roll them like this together. After rolling it, we'll be folding the hairs like this on the back or on the top, you can say, to make a bun. So fold it tightly. First take it till the end and fix it using a rubber band and tie it like this. So now after tying it, we'll be folding it upward like this and then fold it carefully and fix it on the back like this. Fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. Thanks for watching our video.